Today I'm going to be making some game day snacks, and you can see I'm cooking some chicken wings. These are flats only. Here's the raw ones that are, what I've got on here is garlic, salt, and cayenne pepper. I also have some in this egg wash, which is egg, milk, and seasoning. And then in the flour mixture I've got the same seasonings as well. So about to drop these in the fryer. I'm gonna do mushrooms also, fried mushrooms, and I'm gonna try to do some fried jalapeno slices. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let these cook. While they're cooking, be coating these other ones and getting them ready. Set them in there. I'm gonna turn them around, set them on so they're not touching. By no means is this meal going to be healthy. It's not meant to be. It's just game grub. Game time grub. Throw this away. And then I'll just coat these. I usually shake them up, put the lid on, shake it up, but since I'm holding my phone, I can't really do that right now, so I'm just gonna roll them around in here until they get all coated. Oh, there's also panko crumbs in the flour. I forgot to mention that. So cayenne pepper, garlic, salt, regular black pepper, flour, and panko crumbs. I'm going to push them down so it gets extra stuck on there. Make sure there's no like wet spots, exposed wet spots. And I didn't buy any buffalo sauce for these. I think they're going to be spicy on their own, but I also was thinking about making my own buffalo sauce. Kind of the same way as I made that sauce for my blackened catfish, but with the crystal hot sauce. If not, probably just sprinkling some of the crystal on there. They're all nice and coated. This one, crystal. That tastes good for buffalo wings, I believe. And then I was actually gonna try these to make some sopapillas. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but these are the raw tortillas that you heat up, and they taste like homemade ones. They're not cooked already. You have to cook them. But I was going to put them in the deep fryer and make sopapillas with them. But check on this. Those are about done. I'll get back with you guys when the chicken's done and I'm putting the mushrooms in. Alright, you can see my wings are done, nice and golden brown. And about to drop in the mushrooms. Let those fry up. I've got some jalapeños ready to go in next. And we'll get back with you when we're all done. Okay, everything is all fried up and ready to go. Now I'm just gonna make the plates. Oh, I have the sopapillas in my cooking too right now. But food's ready to go. Looks good. Okay guys, I've served up the plates. There we go. Look at that. Jalapeños, mushrooms, and chicken wings. Here's my sopapillas. Dribble some honey on those after I finish. They look really good. I put cinnamon and sugar on them. They turned out very well. And I'm going to put some crystal on the wings and some ranch, you know, for the mushrooms and jalapenos. It's going to be great. But these look like they came out so good. Nice and poofy. Awesome. Let me know what you think. Game Day Grub.